going off sort of high. If the door would close. Oops. Well, we're gonna have to wait. The guys rushed towards the elevator. Yeah, we should be hearing the one over here best, because there's one by the ball field, baseball field. Down this way. Can't even see it from here. Possibly. Might have to go further down. Well, maybe not. Once again, sorry about the shakiness. Yeah, it's actually up on the other side of that building there, the art center. That. I think those trees are going to block it too. Oop. Here, let's zoom out. You don't get all that shakiness. Actually, there's an apartment building that's being built right next to the Siren, going by the ball field. Right next to it. So yeah, I wouldn't want to be them. That's the building right there, the apartment building. Kinda finger's big. I think that's it. One over there. Oh. The Civic Center. That's where the alarms were, the EST alarms. And the Civic Theater's down that way. That's where that Electric Mechanical 4903s were. That's the Broadway Residences Suites, the tallest buildings right now. In fact, our local ABC affiliate has their tower cam there. Might have mentioned that. There's the Holiday Inn. Seen that because I have my tour of that. It's the H3 Plaza in City Center. I have videos of it, but I'm not sure if I ever published them. Maybe not. There's these river walks too. You see right there. That's nice, so I can actually get over here. That's the porch, it's called. They have pretty good fried chicken. I can get all the way down there. Can I see it? I'm not sure if you can or not. I think it's beyond the curve, but anyway, I can get to the pawn shop there, Pawn America. There's the water tower, Ear of Corn. It's a local landmark, if you will. course, this is the second street ramp. The spectral alert. One where the accident occurred. And down there is historic 3rd Street. A lot of old buildings there along here too. Well, you might have heard that. That's my scanner. That's the Associated Bank building. Of course, you've seen that because I've done videos of that. I gotta get that full tour video, or semi-full tour video up, because they're pretty much done with the main remodeling. Just areas that haven't been leased out yet, that haven't been remodeled. And down there, right in there, that's the new Hilton Hotel that's being built. I think I just heard someone sneeze. Yesterday at the hospital, I heard someone sneeze. The guy sneezed. And someone else said, "That's you." Put a smile on a couple people's faces. There's my building. My window there. Kind of hard to see. That's the Associated Bank building. That's where the spectral alert was for the advance that you heard. And over there, that's the 1st Street ramp. Again, see that because I had the fire alarm video and then the sort of the fire alarm tour video of it. So let's go back inside here. It's pretty cool, this spiral, but again, you've seen that. The danger, I think I mentioned that too. See, there is no fence there, so if someone breaks through that gate there, they could go up, end it all. But thankfully there's a camera there, so if they were slow enough, people could catch them. Of course, you've seen these elevators. Yeah. And of course, these. So there you go, Siren Test. Thanks for watching.